Okay, welcome everyone. So first of all, in this session, what we are going to see is what is IDE and how to set up an IDE or how to install that software. Okay, so IDE is one of the important software which will require to whenever we start any coding or programming, right? It can be any language, Java, C++, Python, but IDE is recommendable. It is not necessary, but it is recommendable because it simplifies our process to write the program or run the program in the same window. Okay, we can write the program with any text editor, normal text editor like Notepad or Notepad++ for that matter. But after that, what we have to do is we have to run a separate command shell and then type different commands to execute that program, right? So there are two parts of program: writing a program and executing a program. So what IDE does is basically give that all environment in a single software or in a single window. Okay, so let's start with what is IDE. So IDE is an integrated development environment. Okay, so this is the full form of IDE, integrated development environment. Okay, this is a software application that helps programmer to develop a software code, okay, to develop a software code efficiently. It increases developer productivity, okay, by combining the capabilities such as software editing, building, testing and packaging in a easy to use application. Okay, so it is a easy to use application or a single window or a software which helps in editing, building, testing and packaging the program. So whole life cycle of a program can be done within a same IDE. Okay, just write it's just like a text editor, but just a little more advanced. Okay, so there are multiple softwares or multiple vendors are available which provides the IDE. So if we talk about the providers, you'll see this one. So we have this PyCharm, we have Eclipse, Android Studio, IntelliJ, and Visual Studio Code. Notepad++ as well. So this is just like Notepad++, normal text editor. Okay, so using all these programs we can write a program. Okay, but the most popular is Visual Studio Code because it's an IDE. So if you see the sample snapshot of VScode here, you'll see this one. We are seeing text of different colors. So if you see navigator.service worker, so basically these are the reserved keywords in the program. So that will get automatically gets highlighted in the blue color. And also in a single package, if we have multiple attributes or functions available, the auto detection option is also here. If you see this one, all the recommendations are given by VScode only. So we don't have to worry about or remember what all the functions are available in the package. It will give you all the recommendations here. And also if you see in the left hand side, we'll have lot of plugins for Python language or C++ language, or if you want some debugger, Google Chrome debugger tools, or extra icons. So there are a lot of plugins available for developing the productivity. Okay, now enough theory. Let's see how we can install the VS Code on your Windows operating system. Okay, so first of all, normally open this window, Google Chrome, and type Visual Studio Code download. Okay, you'll see the very first site, which is code.visualstudio.com. okay, so this is official Visual Studio website from where you can download that IDE for free. Okay, it is completely free. You don't have to worry about any charges. Okay, so there are a lot of other options available for operating system, like we have Windows 10, 11, then we have Linux system and also Mac system. Okay, accordingly we have to just click on this one to get it downloaded, and I think downloading will start automatically. Okay, now it is 88 MB file, and if you simply open this show info, if you simply click this, the setup wizard will get open. Okay, so first of all you have to go through all this license agreement, and just click on I accept this agreement, click on next. Now I want to, because we are entering into the programming world and we'll need this IDE on a daily basis, okay, or a regular basis. So I want to create a desktop icon, and also I want to add this option with open with code action on Windows Explorer. So whenever I see any program file, so .py file where I have written the program, I can simply right click on it and I can tell it like open with Visual Studio Code. So directly I'll get that option. Okay, and add path, just simply click next and install. It will take few minutes to complete the installation. I think mine is complete, and now we want to launch the Visual Studio Code. Simply click finish, and basically this is the interface of our IDE Visual Studio Code. These are just some release note, you can close that, and yeah, we just have to select a language or open any program which is already written. Okay, so I'll start with simple my Python program. I want to print something, print a message. After installing this software, I will just write a demo program to printing a a static message on a console, and save it as a Python file on anywhere in my hard disk. But before running this, what we have to do is we have to install the Python plugin to for the VS Code to run the Python program. So from where we can do that, we can simply go to extensions and search for Python. Okay, so if you see, this is Microsoft verified. Now we have to, okay, so I have already installed it. So there is for me there is option of uninstall. Okay, but for you, if you are new, you'll see the option of installing. Okay, now after typing this sample command, I will simply go to run and start debugging, or run without debugging, anything. Okay, it will automatically execute it and show the message. So our program is executed successfully. So if I made any changes to this program and I simply click F5, okay, again if you see, this program, the updated program is executed. So likewise, it is very easy to write the program and execute it in the same window. So this is IDE. I hope you got clear idea about what is IDE and how to install it.